Hey everyone, after 4 months I replaced my spark plug, and then I want to test how is the improvement of my MPG of my Honda CRV. So I'm going to fill up my tank fully, and then I will drive in highway and calculation about my MPG of my vehicle. So this is the mileage, and then I fill it up. Okay everyone, I fill up my tank here. I'm going to drive my car. So let's see what's going on. Okay, I drive around 100 kilometers, and you see the fuel dropped a little bit. The mileage here, I'm going to fill up my tank again and see how much fuel I use during the 100-kilometer drive. Okay, I'm going to fill up the tank. See how much liters I have been using. 80 liters. Here, this is the maps. I drive my car for 112 kilometers and I use 8 liters in the fuel consumption. So here it is result 30.39 mpg, which is 7.14 liter per 100 kilometers.